back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Mallory and welcome back to Spooky Month videos. Today we are going to be doing part 2 of the BH Cosmetics Poison Shock series palettes. This one is the green one, Absinthe. Absinthe is very beautiful. Look at the color story on this one. Very, very pretty. So right here it does say Seeing Visions. That's spooky, but we're gonna keep moving. So again, we did pick up the Poison Shock BH Cosmetics brushes. If you have not already seen part 1 with the ghost pepper video, I will put the card up here so you can go back and watch it. I'm gonna show you a quick swatch and then we'll move on to 2 eyeshadow looks. Okay, so I think what we did in the ghost pepper video, we're gonna do again, where we just have one crease color, but we use all of the shimmers on each eye, because out of the 9, we only have 3 mattes, and then we have 6 shimmers. So we're gonna make it work. First, I'm gonna start with the color Trippy. Ooh, like Trippy Red. I love Trippy Red. Y'all love Trippy Red? I love it. So we're gonna go into Trippy first. I can't say that I've ever had a lime green eyeshadow, but I think I love it. A lime green. You know, I have plenty of greens, but not a lime. So far, this shade is coming off pretty pigmented, actually. And I mean, we have some fallout, but it's minimal. So I think we're like starting off in good shape. You guys, Spooky Month has been like delivering many palettes. I will give you a heads up. I do have another palette series coming next. It's the Glam Light. This is the happy hour open bar. I know this is not what you came here for, but I wanted to tell you. Make sure that you're subscribed because I will be giving one of these away. I got the 4-pack. I'll be giving one away. So you gotta wait and find out. But anyways, back to what we were doing. So yes, this color is coming off very pretty. I'm pretty impressed. I was actually thinking this might be one of those like throwaway colors, like the ones that you're just like, I'm never gonna use that shade because it doesn't work for me. But this is actually looking pretty good. Okay, that's looking good. I think my throwaway color in this palette for now is going to be this Unleashed Spirit, probably because I should have used these 2 together. But I think I'm going to use Trippy first and then Blackout to build on my crease. So we're going to go into Blackout next. Ooh, tons of fallout came out with this. We have tons of fallout being detected here. This is not ideal. Especially with the mattes, like we're so soon. Why so soon? Even though the shade's giving me tons of fallout, it's very pretty. Very pretty. I'm just trying to blend these 2 shades together so that we can go ahead and cut this crease. I'm kind of thinking we might not actually be able to do a cut crease with this look. As it is, I might need to pull something a little bit darker to deepen it up. I mean, I guess we could, but I don't like my cut creases if they're not dark. That's looking pretty good. It's just like I said, it's not dark enough, so I think we are gonna have to pull something else, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side the exact same way. This, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this green's messy as hell. Oh my gosh, it's so messy right now. Such a mess. Whenever I do looks like this, I always think, dang, I should have used I should have just did my eyes first and then face later. It's such a mess. Okay, so because I can't find a deeper shade there, I'm gonna go ahead and go back into my Hip.Ouija palette and we're gonna dip into this black. Y'all remember her? Hip.Ouija. Just back for a visit. We're gonna dip into this black real quick. Just a little bit though. I don't want it to be too intense. So I just did like a light dipping in there. That's a lot better. Yeah, so I want you guys to notice, like right here, whenever I'm trying to blend it out, you see how like the color has disappeared. I'm not a huge fan of that. I think the green is like struggling to stay attached. Let's go back into the Absinthe palette and try to correct this madness. Let's try to correct it. So I'm still not really liking it. It still seems kind of messy, but I'm still gonna give it a chance because we're not completely done with it. You know, after you add liner and lashes and you do the whole deal, it'll change your whole opinion about everything. So let's just give it a chance. Right now, I'm not completely sold on the Absinthe palette. I'm just kind of like, I don't know yet. So let's go ahead and cut out this crease and then we'll work on the shimmers. So Absinthe is kind of messy, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna try to clean it up for you. I'm not gonna try to sugarcoat it. It is what it is. It's messy. Look at my face. So let's do Elixir. I'm sorry, I got way too far. Let's do Elixir and Lucid Visions and then another sip and Lucid Visions or Urban Legend. So I'm gonna go in with another sip right here. Let's put that. Oh wait, I might be changing my mind. I might be changing my mind. This color, I feel like there's like a chrome in here, and I feel like this must be it because this one is like intense. It's such a pretty color. It makes me like regret what I just said. So let's just give it a chance. Let's give the palette a chance. It's making a comeback. So now I'm gonna go in with Goblin. Oh wow, Goblin is pretty too. Goblin is really pretty. Okay, so now let's go into Urban Legend. Oh wow. So the shimmers are bomb. The shimmers are fire. The other shades, they can just go away. But the shimmers, they are here to stay. And I love them for that. So that looks really, really good. It's like all the shimmers came and did a good job, and then the mattes ruined it for everything. It's normally the opposite, where the shimmers ruin everything, but not in this case. Not in this case at all. Let's go ahead and go into the Green Fairy down here. We'll start on this side. The Green Fairy is really pretty. I don't know if I like the Green Fairy or another sip better. I think another sip, because this one has like more blue undertones, but this one is really pretty as well. Now we're gonna go into Elixir. I know I'm gonna like Elixir. I know I am. I told you. I knew it. I knew it. Look at how, wow. Elixir is passing the vibe check. She knew what time it was. She had to come in and save the day. That is beautiful. So last but not least, we're gonna go into Lucid Visions. Wow. Wow. These shimmers are like chef's kiss. These are like the best part of the palette to me. All of the shimmers that we use, they are all gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this eye look. I think I might actually do like a graphic liner. Yeah, I think I might actually do a graphic liner. So I'm gonna finish off this eye look and I'm gonna come back and show you the final look. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I did go ahead and use my Colourpop The Witching Hour black lipstick again, just cause, you know, I just felt like this look was very, this look is more spooky than the last look that I did with the Poison Shock. I feel like the Poison Shock palette, this is definitely full. This one is definitely full of more spooky colors, like with the green and everything. Most people don't wear these shades of green. Like, I don't know, something just like, I don't know. But the palette itself just looks spooky to me. The greens and everything, I don't know what it is about it. But overall, I would say that if I was going off just the shimmers, I would definitely pick that up for these shades down here. But I don't know, I just feel like, I don't know, it's just such a messy palette. It was just so messy. It's like I want to love it so much for the shimmers, but I don't know. I do feel like after everything, the look did come together with the graphic liner and everything, but I feel like this is just definitely like a Halloween month type of look. I would never wear this just like on a regular day. It's way too intense. I did go into the Doja Cat palette to get a dark green to put underneath my eyes because I felt like it was missing something. Just something. It was missing something. But that is it for the BH Cosmetics Poison Shock series, you guys. I think I was gonna go back and get another one, but after this one, I feel like I'm just kind of done with it. The Ghost Pepper one was bomb. This one was just like, the shimmers were bomb, but I don't know. I think we're done with that. I do want to give you guys a preview for the next series that we're gonna be doing. It is the Glam Light Open Bar. So I did get all 4 of them. There's another one down here, but I did get all 4 of them, and one of them I will be giving away. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel with your bell notifications on to make sure that you get to watch those videos and get to enter the giveaway for one of these cute packaged little things. These are so cute to me. I'm just like, I don't even want to open them. That is all I have for you guys today in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, make sure that you are subscribed, bell notifications on. You do not want to miss the glam light videos, and you guys will see my face in the next one.